Paint fast with this adjustable and extendable paint pole. There's 2 latches on the head to adjust the width. Fits 12 to 18 inch rollers. Hold down on this button to adjust the length. Now you've probably seen online how the painters paint fast. Well, they use a 18 inch or above roller. And depending upon the surface, most likely they are using a microfiber sleeve to carry more paint. This is one of the 18 inch microfiber sleeve, one of the best I've used. Just make sure to use masking tape to tape up the whole sleeve, then take the whole tape off. This will release any loose fibers. You can reuse the sleeve after a good clean upon a certain time. You will know when it's time to replace. They also do a mini sleeve too. Obviously you have to buy a mini frame for it, but this mini roller is perfect for painting sides of the walls or small areas. If you want to get the job done fast, then get a quality and bigger roller. But if you wish to take it to the next level, I'll advise spray painting. Work smart, not hard. Peace.